Hello happy souls, this is Kawasaki KB100 RTC rebuilt, and these are all the segments which are classified for this restoration project. In that we are in part 5 removing the accessories. Now we are in part 4 of it, removing the mudguard assembly. First we started removing the mud flops. Actually there are 3 holes in it, but only one was mounted and the remaining 2 was left over, and that too is broken now. And then we went to the mudguard assembly and started loosening the 12mm bolts at the either sides. And these are like splitted into two. One is the chrome plated one, and at the center it is mounted with plastic mud flops and mud guards. And after removing the side 12mm bolts, we started removing the centerpiece which was mounted in the chassis. Here there are like two 10mm nuts and bolts. Like here the spanner access was too low, so use an appropriate tool like we are using in this video. And if you find any difficulty, use WD-40 or some other rust removal for easy removal, because these are all easily rust accumulated areas. And after removing, disconnect the 3 wirings. That is like one is connected to the dynamo power. When you switch on the headlight, it starts blinking, and another one is for the tail light, that is brake assembly, and one is common. And here do the same as we did for the chrome plated mudguard. Just remove the 2 nuts and bolts, it easily comes. And here it is broken. I have to see whether the part is remaining in the swing arm or we have to work it. I think this is a rubber mounting. And then coming to the front fender assembly, here the mudguard is mounted with 2 12mm bolts with the front shocks at the either sides, the LH mounting and the RH mounting. And initially we started loosening with a spanner, but the access was too low. Without removing the wheel, it is very difficult to remove the 4 bolts. And then we took a longer stem, and with that we connected to the ratchet and easily removed it. And then we removed the clamp which holds the brake and speedometer cable with a 10mm spanner. And so far we have completed removing the front mudguard assembly and the rear mudguard assembly. And see you in the next video. Bye.